square root of minus 10 equals square root of raised to the power of the Earth's gravitational force times the Einstein's brain knowledge IQ. Okay, the answer is
10.
no. Okay, it's like this. The answer of it is if you count how many waffles you have in the alphabet, it's gonna be color purple, and the number of toilets you have will be in the waffle because of the color purple.
There's no answer there.
Did you know that the big leaf is the small carrot and the small leaf is the big carrot? Because in life when small things come with big packages.
You get it?
Do you get that?
Yeah.
And if life gives you lemons, what do? You make lemonade.
What?
Being successful is because of the other steps being also not difficult. The first step is always hard because if you don't take the hard step, there is no progress to being successful. That's why you always take the hard way, not the easy way.
Listen.
Yeah. What's up, brother?